right now is a movie.
What length? Okay, and do you want thickness? What about a 4C hairstyle with no added hair? Don't worry, I've got you. Hello, I'm Yinka, Naturalista, and today I'm going to show you how I grow 4C hair fast, how I grow my 4C hair thicker, and this 4C hairstyle my mom did for me. If your goal is long 4C hair, thick 4C hair, healthy 4C hair, you're in the right place. Let's get started. And I need some hair ties and hair clips, so I head on over to Target to get those. Once I get those, I'm on the way home. I filmed several wash days to complete this video, so you will see me filming in my apartment as well as my parents' house where I grew up. So these are my 3 Holy Grail products, but these are all the products that I use. Those Holy Grail products, the detangler, some hair clips, binders, the shampoo, and some cholesterol. On my super intense wash days, I do have to get in and out of the shower 3 or 4 times, so I've learned to just wash my hair in the tub instead of drying out my skin, and I only get in the shower 1 time. So first I go in with some shampoo, and I do this entire routine before I apply the treatment and after I apply the treatment. This is definitely worth it to me because it helps with my hair growth as well as the thickness in my hair, and I have to keep doing it because I just love the results. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and rinse out the shampoo, and I drain the tub every time I apply something new. Next I go in with my detangler from Herbal Essences, and oh my goodness, they just recently came out with this, and you all, it is definitely a game changer. I absolutely love it. It detangles my hair so well, and it helps me to lessen the amount of breakage that I get. There are treatments that thicken your hair, which I will show you, but if you're breaking all of your hair off, what's the point of thickening it? And the last 2 steps, I just go in with the regular conditioner. Then I go in with the cholesterol treatment, and lastly I go in with the deep conditioner, and I rinse it out for the most part, but I do leave a little bit of the deep conditioner in my hair. And here's a mini length check. I trimmed off 5 inches last year and won't be trimming it all this year. So I use 2 jars of rainbow henna in black, and then I boil the water and I go ahead and I mix it in, and I go back and stir occasionally, and I let it sit for 4 hours, and I enjoy my Starbucks. Sometimes I make it a little bit creamier. This batch is quite creamy. So I work with my hair in 6 sections, and I go ahead and I start with the back section, and I'm gonna go ahead and put a comparison of when I did this treatment about 4 months ago. I love to do this henna treatment at least once every 2 months, if not once every month. It just helps to make my ends very thick, makes my hair super thick, and it helps it grow longer and stronger. I highly recommend it. And can you tell I don't care about this sweatshirt? And just to show you guys how my bathroom looks, you guys, you have to really cover it up because henna stains. I like to let my henna sit for about 5 to 8 hours, and this is perfect for me so I can do some studying or finish my accounting work. Okay, so this part is so crucial. So what I do is I like to dip my head into a tub full of water and swish it around in order to make sure I get all of the henna out of my hair. Now this may seem a little bit extra, but if you've never done henna before, then you don't understand that the henna literally sticks to your hair, and that's one of the reasons why it makes your hair strands so much thicker than they were before. And let me tell you, I hate henna. I hate the henna process. I hate the smell of henna. I hate the time that it takes to do all of this. But I keep on doing it. You know why? Because I love the results. And if you don't get it, I feel like a lot of women will understand me when I make this example. It's like getting your first designer bag. Like, I didn't believe in designer bags, and I would just rather save and invest my money in stocks. But once I was gifted my first designer bag, I realized at that very moment that I was never going to go back to wearing a regular bag ever again. And oh my goodness, do you see that shine? So beautiful. I love black, thick, shiny, healthy, natural hair. And here's another link check. So now we're gonna go into the styling process, and I'm so excited for this. I love being home. Okay, so my mom is just amazing, and I need you all to know something. When I sat down in this chair for her to do my hair, I just asked her to do whatever it is that she feels like doing. So I had absolutely no idea what type of hairstyle that she was going to create. And you can see me literally touching my hair so many times throughout the process because I didn't know what was going on. Okay, like, do you see this part right here? Like, I was so confused. I didn't know what was going on. I didn't know how she was gonna make a cute hairstyle from that pattern. But you just have to trust the process, right? Alright, so I'm going to address something here, and some of you may feel like you're being called out, but just hear me out because I promise you that it's coming from a place of love. So I often hear a lot of women say that they don't know how to style their 4C hair, or no, more so I hear them say that they can't do styles with their 4C hair. And my thing is, are you trying to do styles that are not meant for your hair texture, but are meant for the hair texture of someone else? Because our hair is literally amazing. I get so much love, like genuine love and compliments on my natural hair and my natural hairstyles. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm well aware of the fact that not all hairstyles receive the same amount of praise, but who cares? We're not living for anyone else, we're living for ourselves. Okay, so here my mom is just taking a quick picture of the design that she made in the front, and we are going to figure out what type of bun would look best with this. And we ended up going with her idea, which I think was absolutely amazing. You guys are going to see it at the end. I can't wait for you to see it. I am just so grateful for my mother. She just taught me to love my hair from a very young age, and I'm just so grateful that I've always had my mom to take care of my hair for me. She's just amazing. Alright, and here's the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and if you haven't already, check out my latest video before this. It's my aloe vera and rosemary treatment. As always, thank you all so much for watching, and if you're not already, make sure you follow me on TikTok and Instagram. Bye!